What's up, guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading. Woo, doggy! What a wild session we had. Let's get right into it. No time to waste. Let me recap for you what happened in today's wild session in the market, all right? What you're seeing on the chart, folks, is today's S&P 500 chart. This is the global benchmark. If you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And of course, if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is SPY. This green and red color band volume indicator is what separates professional traders from amateur traders, in my humble opinion, okay? Because amateur traders were getting confused today. They had their heads up their butt trying to look at this garbage indicator nonsense, what I call trailer trash chart. Can't make out heads or tails of what is happening in the market. All right, so step one, in any scary market environment, you got to have the right chart display. That's the pitch here, folks. Having the right chart display makes all the difference in the world. But check this out. I want to show you something really interesting, especially for all you retracement traders out there, all you guys who love the pullback. Watch this. Okay. Now, what do you think I just did? Go ahead and stare at this chart and tell me, why do you think I identified and isolated just these small pockets in the market? Go ahead. Folks, hope you're able to manage that. Okay? You guys know that retracements work. There's something magical about retracements. There's something hypnotizing about retracements. They just work. When a retracement pattern shows up, when a pullback is underway, folks, you got to be paying attention, right? So let me quantify what you're looking at. These first two areas are bullish retracements, all right? What happened here was this volume color band turned green at some point, and we got a nice pullback. And hands down, in both of these cases, they were losers, right? So I'm going to quantify this by saying, all right, fine, we lost the value of 1 bar on the first 2 trades. But what about this short trade here? This short retracement trade pullback. You can see the volume band turns red. We get a nice, beautiful set of retracements here. How about over here? Volume color band turns green. We get an absolutely textbook retracement pattern. For a cumulative total of 65 bars. So let me recap this for you, folks. -1 bar on the first trade, -1 bar on the second trade. Fine. You guys know losing is part of the game in day trading, and your #1 goal every day is to try to keep your losses small and let your winners run. Okay? So on the losers, we lose, a couple bars. But on the winners, folks, we bag massive bars. I don't know if this is going to happen every day. This was a wild session on the S&P, but this was repeated on all markets. In fact, I have the Russell queued up here for you. Okay? Here's the Russell. You guys know I love the Russell. Look at this retracement that just nails the top. Just freaking nails the top. All right? For like 300 ticks. And then look at how it nails the turnaround for another 100, maybe 150 ticks. So folks, here's the takeaway from watching this video, man. We are in a day trader's dream. This is a day trader's paradise. Okay? If you feel that you have what it takes and you understand risk management, risk reward profiles, then I got the chart software of a lifetime for you. Because if you look at this chart and you contrast it with this chart, you tell me which one you think looks better. Okay? Been an exciting way to start the week. See you tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.